Hey guys, what's up? Gary G back again today for another video. I'm gonna bring you a really quick one today. I had a lot of people ask me about my nozzle guards. These are a DIY type nozzle guard. I'm not the first person who made these, I have to say that. There's a channel called Cars with Kiev, I think that's his name. He's just an enthusiast guy that has a YouTube channel too. And he had a video explaining how to make these with a mixture of parts from Amazon and MTM. So of course these are in comparison to the Aqualine nozzle guards from MTM. Now the reason why I never bit the bullet and actually bought those is because they're too expensive. In my opinion, something this small is not worth with shipping over $50. It's just not, it's not worth it to me. So I never really pulled the plug on that until I saw this video of how you can make these. Now these are half Amazon parts, half MTM parts. So they actually come from MTM as well. So all the parts that really matter are the same exact pieces and same quality as the ones from MTM. So stick around today and I'm gonna actually pull one of these apart to show you how I put it together. And then I'm gonna explain the price breakdown. I'll have the links for you in the description below this video, okay? So let's go ahead and check it out. For the rest of this video, we're gonna be doing this camera angle here. I want you to see up close what's going on. And what you're gonna need is, there's 4 parts to this. I have a 25 and a 40. When you look inside, I don't know if you can see that, the holes, one of them is wider than the other. That's really how you can tell which one is which. And I believe, just by looking at it, this one is the 40. So I use that one less than the 25. The 25 is my favorite. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it apart. Now, this rubber piece actually comes from the MTM wands. That's what it's on there, and that's what these are for. They're actually replacements for the extension wands for that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press this out to reveal all the center parts. So like I said, there's 4 parts. You have your rubber nozzle guard. Right here you have your whatever degree tip you want to use. Like I said, this is 40. You're gonna have a coupler, 1/4 inch coupler. I believe it's 1/4 inch. Yeah, 1/4 inch NPT 304 stainless steel. You're gonna have your quick connect. So there's 3 parts here. You need to put both of these on with some kind of thread tape or thread sealant. Like I said, it's gonna be a short video, so you got 3 parts here. You're gonna get them and you're gonna screw them all together. You're going to, if you can see inside there, there's these little fins in there. That's what's actually going to grab the inside. That's what's gonna grab on this here. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna put that down the center, and it's gonna take some work. I'm just letting you know it's gonna take some work. So mine, I've already done, put through, so it should be easier to do. But you either push it through with your thumb, like this. It is not easy to get this on here, I'm gonna be honest. But I'm gonna go ahead and do it real quick off camera, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like once it's done. Okay, so it was a massive struggle. But like I said, once you get it in, you don't really have to take it out. So what I did was this little part on the table or something like this. What you could do is you could set this nozzle and use some kind of a blunt object, and you could push it down, okay? That's what you could do. You can push it down with all your weight, and that pushes it in. And when it's done is when it's flush. You'll see that that's flush. I've used this on over 100 cars, dropped it, done all this stuff. It will not come out once it's pressed in there unless you intentionally push it out. Okay, so here we are, got my gun. This is a new gun, by the way. I'm actually gonna do a review on this. This is not an MTM, that's all I'm gonna say. Pretty amazing though, I'll do a review on it. But back to the point, so I have I think this is the 40, I could be wrong. But anyways, when you put this on, you're gonna be tempted to push it down with the rubber. If you push it down with the rubber, it's probably gonna push that nozzle guard out of the center. So what I usually do, once I get it to here, push it down. You're gonna notice you have a little gap. Just a little gap right here. That's perfect. If it's pushed down flat with the quick connect, that means it's starting to push out. So now I'm gonna show you what it looks like up close with the spray pattern. Here is, I believe, the 40. No, you know what, this is not the 40. This is the 25. Yes, I was wrong, that is the 25. This is the 40 here. I'm not sure if that'll, yeah, there we go. So this one is the 40. And you can see how wide that is. All right, so we're back. So you see, you have every bit of the same results with this tip that you would with the Aqualine. Obviously, if you care about the way it looks and you want to appear higher end or whatever, I mean, no shade on you if you're that type of detailer. I could really care less what I look like. I'm more about performance. And if I can get the same performance for a significantly less price, which I'm gonna show you right now, then I'm gonna do it. So on MTM's website, to get a Aqualine tip, the blue ones, with shipping is $15 by the way now. Shipping is very expensive. It is $62.99 for one. I bought 2 of these for $42.77. $42.77 shipped to my door. All I had to do was spend about 5 minutes putting them together. So for about $21.38 and a half, $21.38, you can have one of these nozzle guards. You can get as many as you want. You can get them whatever orifice size you want. I believe these are 3.0s. So I don't want to necessarily say, you know, that you should view me as the budget detailer. I'm just out here trying to find better ways to get the things that a lot of people want, especially for the guys that are starting out, because they're not gonna have a lot of money. So you could literally spend $120 for 2 little pieces. Come on, that's ridiculous. It's stupid, in my opinion. So I'm the type of guy that, sure, I like the nice stuff. Don't get me wrong. I'd love, you know, Kranzle pressure washers, all that stuff. Who doesn't like that? You know, I got Rupes polishers, that kind of thing. So it's not about that. It's just, if I can get 2 of these for less than the price of 1, and they still look awesome. Anyways, I'm that type of guy. Hopefully, if you're that type of guy, you appreciate it as well. Or even if you just want to try to do it, you can go ahead and check it out. Like I said, I'm gonna have links to everything in the description. So I'm gonna have the MTM links, and then I'm also gonna have the Amazon links. You put them all together. You just need to get a little bit of Teflon tape, and you can put these together for you and just get started with nozzle guards. Make sure you guys go into the description and follow all my social links. Go ahead and check out my Instagram. That's where I'm most active. I post every single day with all the videos and pictures of the work that I'm actually doing in the field as a mobile detailer, as well as whenever I post videos on YouTube, I also you know, let you know on that as well. I also have a Facebook. I have a TikTok. I don't really use TikTok very much, but if you want, it's the same thing, Stay Slick Auto Detailing. Go ahead and check it out in the description below. But thank you guys as always. Thank you for coming back to another video. I appreciate you guys, all my Stay Slick fam. You guys have a good one, right? Peace. Stay slick. See you guys.